The Spanish Steps, one of Rome's most famous places to simply sit, breathe, and watch the city move around you. A staircase of 135 wide, elegant steps, rising like a gentle wave from Piazza di Spagna up to the Trinità dei Monti church. When you arrive here, you feel it immediately. The mix of history, beauty, and everyday Roman life blending together in one perfect scene. If you're coming by metro, it's incredibly easy. You take line A, the orange line, and get off at Spagna station. The moment you step outside, you're already in the heart of it. Luxury shops on both sides, the sound of the fountain ahead, and just a short walk to the base of the steps. It's one of the most convenient metro stops in all of Rome. You can also arrive by bus. Several lines stop nearby, including bus 61, 62, 63, and 85, all dropping you within a few minutes' walk of Piazza di Spagna. The buses weave through the city, giving you a quick look at Roman neighborhoods before you arrive at this iconic square. As you walk toward the steps, the first thing you hear is the soft splash of the Fontana della Barcaccia, the fountain of the old boat. Designed by Bernini, it sits low to the ground, shaped like a sinking ship, a reminder of the Tiber River flooding centuries ago. People gather around it, cooling their hands in the water, taking photos, or just enjoying the moment. Then your eyes lift, and the staircase rises in front of you, wide, open, almost like a stage. This is where artists once sketched travelers, where poets found inspiration, and where visitors from all over the world still come to sit and take in the view. The steps aren't steep. They flow upward gently, inviting you to climb at your own pace. As you reach the top, the city opens up behind you. You see the rooftops of Rome, the domes, the narrow streets stretching out like veins of history. Turn around, and the Trinità dei Monti church stands quietly above the city, watching over the crowds below. What makes the Spanish Steps special isn't just the architecture, it's the feeling. It's the energy of people gathering, resting, talking, laughing. It's the sunlight hitting the stone in the late afternoon. It's the way Rome slows down here, even for a moment. Whether you arrive by metro, by bus, or on foot, the Spanish Steps are a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places in Rome aren't museums or monuments. They're the places where life simply happens. If you enjoyed this journey through Rome, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post travel stories, hidden gems, and cinematic moments from around the world, and your support helps the channel grow. Stick around for more adventures.